If you are using Calendly and running ads, you are probably tracking booking wrong, which means Google and Meta have no idea who your real leads are. Most people think when someone books a call, it's automatically tracked, but here is what actually happens. UTM parameter get lost, no user data is captured, no real conversion is sent to ad platform. So your ad campaign optimized for the wrong people and you waste money. In this video, I will show you exactly how I track Calendly booking by capturing UTM parameters, collecting user data, and send everything to ads and analytics platform like Meta, Google, and Google Analytics 4. The first step is capture UTMs on landing. When user lands on the site, then UTM parameters in the URL, it will saves into the local storage. And the step 2 is inject these UTMs into Calendly iframe, like watch for iframe, inject parameters passed to direct Calendly. And the third step is capture booking event with full data like UTM data and username email. The fourth step is sent to GA for Google Ads as well as Pixel. Here is the actually complete data flow. User lands, UTM capture in the local storage, then booking page, UTM inject to Calendly iframe, then event fires. When we will receive the event on GTM preview, then the event will send with the all parameters to the tour marketing and analytics platform. I hope you could understand. First of all, I will show you what I have done for this setup. Here you can see this is my GTM, and if I go to the tags, here I have set a few custom HTML tag, and this is the first one. With the help of this tag, I store the UTM data. After that, with the help of this tag, I send this data to Calendly so that Calendly can receive the UTM data, okay? And the third tag I use for collecting the event. Let's see what I actually done. So for this, we can easily preview the GTM. You can see here is the UTM data. If I change this only Google and connect. I hope you already seen that I use the test UTM data because when someone will click on our Facebook ads or Google ads, then the UTM will add with the URL. So if I show you, then you will understand. Here, if I go to application, then here you can see UTM data, and this is the data. UTM source, Google, UTM campaign, and this is the UTM medium. That's fine. We already store the UTM data on the local storage. After that, when we submit this form, then this data will store in the Calendly. Okay, I will show you everything, no worries. Let's book a call. Okay, you can see this is our time and this is our location, and let's see what happens. Go to Calendly, then meetings, and here you can see upcoming meeting. Here if I click on details, then here you can see this is the UTM parameters, like this is UTM campaign, this is UTM source, and this is medium. Well, that's fine. We are able to see the UTM parameters on our Calendly meeting. When someone will submit a form, then one by one we will be able to see their UTM parameters, like from where they actually book this call, what is their campaign source, what is their medium, etc, etc. Now if I show you the Google Tag Manager preview, what event we actually received, here you can see. If you take a look on point number 8, then you will see here an event. The event name is event scheduled, and if I show you the API call of this event, then this is the event name. This is the calendar invite name, I mean the client name as well as their email, and this is the UTM data, like UTM source, medium, campaign. Well, that's fine, and based on this event data, I set up the event for Google Ads, Facebook, I mean Meta, and the GA4. So if I show you, then you will understand. Here you can see a lead event is fired for Meta Pixel. And if I show you the Google Analytics, here you can see I already in debug view. So here the generate lead event is fired. And if I scroll down here, you can see this is our UTM data, like UTM campaign, UTM medium, and UTM source. If I go to the Google Ads, here you can see submit lead form. I have created this goal. Here you can see it's already active and no recent conversion status. Okay, and that means when the business will run ads and get conversion through ad, then it will be active, no worries. So if you are offering this kind of Calendly but you're not sure whether your Calendly event is going to your ad platform and analytics platform perfectly or not, then you can take a look on this video. Hope you will understand what you need to do. But if you don't know how to do it, or you are not sure your setup is working well, then you can take the help of an expert, because end of the day you need the accurate conversion tracking, otherwise you will not get good result with your ads. So that's all for today. I hope you guys could understand how I track Calendly event and send it to ads and analytics platform. If you have any question or confusion, feel free to ask in the comment below. See you again in the next video. Till then, goodbye.